Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we normally discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. And sometimes we talk about Christmas lights and LED lighting and other products. Today we're going to do something a little different. There's a few different companies that have sent me products that are not things I would normally talk about, but they were interesting to me. And so I thought I would unbox them on camera. If I'm able to demonstrate, I will. If I'm able to say anything else about them, I will. Bare minimum, it'll be an unboxing video. So what we have here is the TOZO active noise cancellation earbuds. They appear to be wireless. I'm not a big earbuds person. On the rare occasion when I have to use headphones, I normally use, clamshell studio headphones, and then I do have some, professional in-ear monitors for when I have to use those. But for the most part, I stay away. But I could see something like this being useful, especially if they're not as expensive as the name brands, because it's very easy to lose wireless earbuds. My father-in-law got me some as a gift some years ago, and I only used them a couple times and then promptly lost them. So, if this is not hundreds of dollars, then I'd much rather have something. So there's the user manual. We'll take a look at that in a second. There's the quick guide. Activate warranty. It comes with a warranty. That's pretty cool. So there's the different foam things for, we're not going to look at those right now. We'll leave those. It comes with a USB cord. Let's see, is it a micro? It's a USB-C. That's pretty standard now. You can scan the QR code to activate the warranty. That's pretty convenient. I'm going to be foiled by the sticker. Come on, sticker. All in all, everything feels pretty quality so far. Okay, so you charge them in the case. There's plastic over it right now, but you would plug. I'm assuming, yep, you would plug this case in, and then you would put them in the case to charge them, and then it snaps shut. Let's see something. So if I put these in here. Forgive me for being stupid at this. Okay, can I? Yeah, and then you don't have to worry about losing them because the case is going to hold them together. That's pretty good. Let's see what the box says. 3 mic noise call canceling. So there's microphones in them too. Are these for talking as well? So let's take a look at the quick guide. Bluetooth pairing. Reset, charging. Don't put wet earbuds in the charging case. Yeah, that's a good point. That's pretty straightforward. Power on, power off. Playing music. Yeah, there's incoming calls. So it looks like there's a microphone in there too. Reset. Active noise canceling. So there's a microphone that senses outside sounds. Then there's a mode that turns that off. Okay, so this is cool. Maybe this is a common feature and I don't know about it, but this is my first time learning about something like this. So you have 3 different options. You can have active noise canceling mode where there's a microphone that senses the sound around you and then deliberately does not feed you that sound. They essentially cancel. They provide the opposite signal of that sound so that you can't hear it. You can turn that off and they're like normal earbuds, or there is what they call the transparency mode where the microphone is actually sending the sound around you to your earbuds. There's a display on the case for charging, so this will light up with the charging percentage. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like these. I don't know how often I'll have the opportunity to use them or lose them. But just based on what I'm seeing, this is a cool product. I will post all the links in the description. It's the kind of thing I can't really demonstrate on camera. I'm going to pack them up safely so that I do not lose them. So when I do have a use for them, in fact, I'm going to probably put them in my laptop bag. But yeah, I'm glad that they thought to send these to me. I hope this video helps somebody. If they gave me a discount code or anything like that, I'll post it in the description. If you have any questions or comments, you obviously leave them down below. As otherwise, thanks for watching. Glad we could take a look at these together. Thanks for watching.